So I found me this little zebra print bag to make the booty look good. It make the booty pops. They gonna have to do for today because nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So as you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a vlog. Me and my best friend are going to New Orleans, which if you don't know, I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, so New Orleans is just an hour away from us. And we decided to go down there to do brunch today, Saturday. We're gonna go do brunch and just kind of walk around the French Quarter, which is like a poppin' area in New Orleans. We actually checked the forecast like a week ahead of time, but it changed and it's supposed to be raining all weekend, which is so annoying because it's literally always raining in Louisiana. Like, yeah, we haven't really been doing much. We've both been like just in school and working, so we kind of decided that we needed to get out of the house and do something fun. So yeah, we decided to take a little trip to New Orleans today. We are supposed to be leaving at 10:30. I think it's like 10:10 right now. So I've already done my hair and I did my makeup, which came out pretty darn good if you ask me. Yeah, so did my hair, did my makeup, so now I'm about to go ahead and put my clothes on. But first, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Your girl been on a budget because as you guys can see, if you are a returning subscriber, I have moved into my new apartment and I will be doing an apartment tour soon. I'm still trying to get, you know, settled in and everything. I haven't really decorated much, but as far as my outfit, like I wanted to be popping, but I was like, I don't really want to spend that much money. And I wanted to do, I'm trying to transition my style into more like streetwear and like urban. So I wanted to do a graphic t-shirt with like some, you know, cut off shorts. But y'all know graphic t-shirts be like $50 online and on like the little boutique stores and stuff like that. So I went to the thrift store and I was like, I'm about to find me a graphic t-shirt. And literally the first store that I went to had exactly what I was looking for. Let me go grab it for y'all. So this is the shirt that I found at the first thrift store that I went to, which was America's Best. Y'all look at this. Like, this is literally what I was looking for, like a racer kind of graphic tee. And it's the perfect color because my colors that I normally stick to are like gray, black, and white. So I'm so glad that it is this color, and I love how it has the orange and purple on it to make it, you know, stands out a little more. But yeah, this shirt online, y'all, would probably be easy $40. Easy. So, and it was only $2.99. So y'all definitely go and hit up your local thrift stores. Like, you never know what you're gonna find in there. I found these shorts. Now I do have my own jean shorts, but mine are folded at the bottom instead of like, you know, with the ripples. I just have mine like folded up, and they've been like that for so long that if I try to put it down like this, you're gonna see like a really big crease right there. So I stumbled across these at the thrift store, and whoever cut these, they like really did their stuff because mine just goes like straight across at the bottom, but theirs has like that little loop, and it just make the booty look good. It make the booty pop. So I'm excited to put these on. And then I wanted to find me like a little bag because that's been really like the style now. So I found me this little zebra print bag, and I just think that it is so cute and it's gonna go with the outfit so well. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has this little ugly strap right here. So I just tucked this in to the bag, and I'm probably gonna wear it this way since it's gonna be under my arm anyway. But yeah, I just love it. And with that, I'm just gonna be putting on my Air Forces. Now, honestly, I wore these to a concert last year, and I wore them one other time, and that was the only 2 times I wore these shoes. But they got like really dirty at the concert because of course everybody jumping around, they stepping on people's feet and stuff. So these got like extra dirty, and I know people say you're not supposed to wear dirty Air Forces, you're not supposed to clean them, you're just supposed to buy a new pair. But ain't nobody got time for that. So I took me a toothbrush and some bleach and soap, and I scrubbed them. And the only part that looks a little dirty is this little inside part. But once I tie the strings up, I should be fine. But for the most part, they look pretty darn clean to me. And they're gonna have to do for the day because nobody got time for that. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get dressed, and then I will show you guys what the outfit looks like on. All right, y'all, so I am all dressed. Like I said, I just have my graphic t-shirt on with my purse. I have these necklaces on. I forget exactly where they came from, but I will have them in my description box. Got my shorts on. So yeah, I just think it came out really cute. This is like exactly what I was going for. Also got my rings on and my forces. Yeah, right now it is about 10:20. So I'm about to wait for my best friend to come, and I'm gonna just take a couple of pictures while I'm waiting because what else is there to do? I like my outfit, but I kind of feel like I am missing something. So I'm about to look through my closet and I don't know, maybe get one more thing to kind of spice it up. But I will check back in with you guys after my friend is here. So vodka in hand.
You look cute. Thanks, thanks.
All right, y'all, so we just made it to New Orleans, and as you can see, the weather is still pretty bad. What it's doing?
There you go.
Right now we're trying to pay for parking.
Press 1 to add 9. Yes. Okay. Processing card. Completed. Please wait.
It's just so pretty out here. Like everything just looks like art to me. After you put that in, I want you to come see where somebody got robbed at. Oh! Can I get some before we walk? Come see what somebody got robbed at.
You said when somebody got robbed?
Mm-hmm. Right here. Somebody got robbed right there. You can see that's where their mouth was at, and then they got handprints right here. And then you can tell their stomach was right there. You can see it?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. It's just, oh.
Yes.
No, but her little one dog, and she's small. Her hair be killing me sometimes.